Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable FaceTime notifications on your Macintosh computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to begin by selecting the System Preferences button down in our System dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select where it says Notifications with the little bell icon. So go ahead and left click on that. Where it says FaceTime, go ahead and select that. And now you can disable all notifications from FaceTime just by toggling this to the off position, or you can customize it a little bit further down here. So if you want to keep it enabled, but you want to customize it in the way of disabling notifications on the lock screen, showing in the notification center, the badge app icon appearing, or the sound playing, you can customize these options without having to disable all notifications. So giving you guys a few additional options, so sub options there, I would call them. And you can also show preview always, when unlocked or never, and notification grouping, that's automatic, by app, or off. Again, your primary option is going to be either to allow all notifications, disable all notifications, or to allow notifications but customize a few different annoying options that may be bothering you. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.